Hey guys, I'm Bree, and today I'm going to show you how you can make some bread in Minecraft. Bread is a super basic food in Minecraft, so it's more filling than the easy to find fruits that you might find along the way, and I just definitely recommend making some bread. So what you're going to do is get some wheat seeds, so I am going to just punch some grass. So get as many wheat seeds as you possibly can. These are super easy to find because it's just walking up to grass and punching it. It's just a matter of whether or not the grass will actually drop the seeds. And once you have a decent amount of seeds, next you are going to have to farm. Either go over to water or get a bucket of water and put that where you're farming your crops and all of that. I recommend just finding a source of water and settling near there because it's so much easier. I am going to go ahead and take this hoe and we are going to go ahead and just all along the water. Just this little section right here is all we need. And you're just going to right click to plant these wheat seeds. And trust me when I say you are going to need a ton of this. Wheat is such an important crop in the game, so stock up as much as you possibly can. And next, I have bone meal for the sake of showing you the growth of the crops, and I'm just going to right click to make these grow faster until they're mature. All right, and so now that it is all mature, what you're gonna do is go over to it and you're just going to break it. And you'll get more wheat seeds from this that you can then replant. And to make bread, you're going to go ahead and place your crafting table and then open it. And all you have to do is put 3 wheat along the middle column and then click and you will get a bunch of bread. My hunger is about halfway, so I'm going to hold down right click. And now we have some food. And yeah, that is how you make bread in Minecraft. I hope this video was helpful and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye guys!